Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we are going to be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 7a 256GB. It is Google's budget device and their smartphone line up alongside the regular Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. This year, the new Google Pixel 7a is closer than ever to the regular Pixel 7. I think it might just be the best value Pixel device yet and maybe even the best value Android device on the market too. I will go over what's new with the Pixel 7a and also what sets it apart from the regular Pixel 7, so you know what spending in extra $100 on that phone might get you over this one. But first thing first, let's just quickly unbox this thing so I can show you what comes inside the package. When you buy it, so peeling off the stickers and sliding off the lid, the first thing you see is the phone itself. I got my line in this new color, sort of a soft and subtle baby blue that I think looks really nice. You can also get it in charcoal, which is that familiar grey black color, Snow White, and a new Google Store exclusive color. There are some accessories included. The small box within the box has a unique SIM ejector tool stuck to the outside there if you need it, along with a tiny instruction booklet and some legal information. You also still get USB-A to USB-C dongle adapter to transferring data from your old phone to this new one, alongside other uses, and a nice thick USB-C cable for charging. But unfortunately, no charging brick or wall plug. You can actually snag some pretty good deals on this phone right now. So the full retail price Pixel 7a costs $499 unlocked, which is actually $50 more than last year Pixel 6a. This product cost me 25% less than regular price. This product link in the description. You can buy this Pixel 7a 5G from Amazon. I link all this deal down below the video description. So physically, the new Pixel 7a looks obviously very familiar. Its size and design look like last year Pixel 6a, with some very minor little changes that better align it with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Once again, a 6.1-inch device that the screen size from corner to corner essentially the same dimension as the 6a, all around pound, and still slightly smaller in size compared to the regular Pixel 7. So that's all for today's Google Pixel 7a review. You can take this product best deal in the Amazon, link in the description box. Thank you. Do subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you once again.